Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat. Another unboxing video of a kit that I purchased in Joann's. The brand is Dotz. Actually, I was not planning on purchasing it. I went to Joann to buy these drills because I decided to replace sparklers when it comes to the mermaid's body with resin drills. I think it will look more natural. And in order for me to select the colors, I had to physically go to the Joann to find some similar shade to the skin color. And here it is. But of course I could not resist and purchased another Dotz kit that was on sale, 30% off. The original price was $23. I bought it for $17. I cannot say that I really love the design. It is very cute, but the main reason why I bought it, when I saw it, I found many ways I can customize this kit. So let's open and see how it looks inside. This is how it comes packaged. So let's start first with the canvas. The canvas design is pretty small. It's 30 by 33 centimeters. But since there are not that many objects, I believe it will turn out pretty detailed. There are the legends conveniently located on both sides, and the kit has 36 colors. It's a lot for such a small kit, for such a small design. 30 by 33 centimeters, that's a lot of colors. 36. I have bigger kits. I had bigger kits, and even they did not carry that many colors. So very beautiful. And I'm thinking to replace a few areas with either sparklers or with AB diamonds, specifically these ones, stars, maybe Mars. I will bead stitch with either bead stitch diamond paint, either with sparklers or with the AB diamonds. Maybe Saturn rings. Also, I can add something. So, looks good. I really like it. I'm not sure if it is the sun. Looks like the sun. So maybe, yeah, looks like the sun. Or maybe Mercury. Actually, it could be Mercury. But whatever. Or Venus. It's hard. I mean, they're located so weirdly. Not in order. In any case, I can make this, whatever it is, Sun, Mercury, Venus, I can make this one with sparklers as well. Pretty design. And give it away to school, for example, let them learn solar system. Now, let's go to the drills. That's how it comes. I already unbagged it. The kit also comes with a standard set of tools and a hand grip and a few Ziploc bags. Now, as to the drills, to tell you the truth, I was kind of surprised that it does not include AB diamonds. Diamond Dotz, like 90% of their, 95 I would say, percent of their kits include at least one AB diamond, AB color, and I was sure that this kit, when it comes to the space, I mean, space is perfect for adding sparklers and drills, right? I would think that it included at least one AB color. Well, apparently no. It has beautiful bright colors, but not a single AB. Well, better for me, because what I'm going to do, I will customize this kit and I will add ABs and sparklers, and I have lots of them, and I have colors, these colors in AB drills. I assume I purchased all the AB diamonds from Diamond Dotz that are featured in the store. So, for example, this color, there is dark blue. I also have red, so I can actually customize a lot. So this is it for today. I will continue working on the mermaid, and once I complete it, I will upload a video review and you will see if it looks good with the resin drills or not, her body. This is all for today. Thank you so much for watching and see you soon.